How much is the Germany jersey? Oh, the quality is not good. No, how much? 600? That's the Indian price?
Indian price.
Enough?
200 only.
200?
Yeah.
That's very near.
Yeah. 500 cash.
500? No thank you, I am done with the store.
350. So not even one rupee, just 349. Not 1 rupee.
What's on it? 850.
I thought, oh my god, I need to put cash out with you because I wanted to.
Okay, how much? No, no, I can pay, please. No, let me pay, please. Yeah? How much? You want to show me? Okay, sure. What's your name? You want to go? Thank you very much.
Take it. Bye.
You know what we want to do? No. I don't actually have that much money, but I need to pay.